TidyCal. Book more customizable meetings using this powerful scheduling software with calendar integrations. 80% off, $29. Lifetime access. Refundable up to 60 days. Most calendar tools are weighed down by complicated features you'll never need. TidyCal simplifies bookings with custom free and paid booking pages that sync to your calendar in real time. Create free and paid booking options with custom booking pages that sync to your calendar in real time. Manage your calendar easily with integrations, custom email reminders, auto-created meeting URLs, and more. Alternative to Calendly, Doodle. Integrations: Google, PayPal, Stripe, Zapier, Zoom. Best for marketing agencies, product managers, sales managers. Simplify meetings with customizable pages, calendar integrations, and time-saving features. Customize your booking page. Create availability schedules and customize your default availability. Display or hide specific booking types for control over your calendar. Specify advanced settings like buffer time, booking limits, and lots more. Create unlimited booking events. Create booking types for one-on-one meetings, group events, and more. Use date polls to get votes on the perfect meeting date, making coordination easy. Tailor booking types to your specific events to drive more meetings and bookings. Connect your calendar. Connect your Google, Office 365, and iCal calendars for accurate meeting availability. Automatically check real-time availability to ensure you're never double booked. Connect multiple calendar accounts and sub-calendars to avoid conflicts. Charge for your sessions. Set up paid bookings and accept payments with your Stripe or PayPal. Become part of an exclusive directory, giving you a platform to promote your services. We built TidyCal to be a simpler, more affordable alternative to Calendly. After trying Calendly and other solutions that were too expensive or had more than we needed, we knew there had to be a better option. TidyCal is the simplest solution for individuals and agencies to make booking meetings and events easier and faster. What makes us different? A super simple interface that gives you only what you need to be successful, and an ultra-affordable price to make it easier on your wallet, too. Since we launched TidyCal in 2021, we've had 200,000 users sign up, creating 3,700,000 plus bookings. And with our paid bookings, our users have made an astonishing $9 million. With updates launching monthly, we're excited to keep making TidyCal better for our existing user base and the millions of other people out there who want a simpler, more affordable calendar booking solution.